everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. Today I've got a beauty haul for you, so switching it up a bit here on my channel. I have a Boots drugstore haul. I also want to show you some new hair extensions that have kindly been gifted to me from Hair Choice. So we're going to unbox that parcel, see what's in there, and I'm going to show you everything that I picked up from Boots. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Liv. I make videos on beauty, lifestyle and fashion, so if that's something that you're interested in and you like the style of videos, please hit that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me to have you come join our little family here on YouTube. Don't forget to head over to my Instagram where you will see outfit pictures and beauty and all that good stuff. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. So you probably all noticed this gorgeous ponytail that I'm wearing. This is 16 inches and it is a synthetic ponytail, and it was from a company called Hair Choice. I will link them down below for you. So they reached out to me, wanted to send me a box of goodies just to see what I think. If I liked them, then you knew I was going to share them. So that is what we're going to do. So the packaging is gorgeous. I am a sucker for packaging. And inside this beautiful box, we have some silk scrunchies. These are, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, and I think they're 5 for £10. I will link them down below, and they're really stretchy. That's what I love about them. So you could, if you wanted to, you could get them around the ponytail at a push. But yeah, I just prefer silk bobbles. They just leave less of a dent in your hair. They're better for your hair. They don't get tangled when you pull your hair out, especially if you've got hair extensions as well. So really chuffed that they sent those over, because I actually went into Boots to get some more silk hair ties, hair bobbles, scrunchies, and luckily they sent me those, so super happy about them. I'm going to take them out and pop them in my little glass pot where I keep all my bobbles. And then we have a Stroke of Luck mixed bristle hairbrush. Again, another thing that I went in Boots for was a new hairbrush, because my paddle hairbrush I've had it for years. You know when you have a hairbrush for a lot longer than you should? That's my situation. So this one is mixed bristle. It's going to be perfect for hair extensions. I love the detailing on it. And yeah, it just really effortlessly, as you can see, glides through the ponytail, not snagging. So this is going to be perfect for hair extension wearers. Again, I think they're really inexpensive, so I'll link it down below for you. All the hair extension brushes that I've had a look at are really, really, really expensive. So I like the fact that that one is super affordable. And then they must have read my mind, because they sent me out a paddle brush as well. So brush it off, just a power paddle brush. Yeah, just a perfect paddle brush, cushioned paddle brush with the name on the handle. Yeah, really happy that they sent that. That is perfect. I was desperate for a new paddle brush. As well as this 16-inch ponytail. So this is the packaging that it came in here. And it gives you instructions on the back of how to apply it. This is the pony piece. So this is slightly different to the normal ponytails that I wear, in the sense of normally you clip the ponytail in at the top and wrap it around, whereas this has got 4 clips. You open it out, you put your hair in a bun, and you secure the clip grips around the bun and then pull the toggle at the bottom, and it's just so secure. It feels a lot more secure than the wraparound ponytails. This is 16-inch, it's the straight style, and it's Hollywood, the colour. So colour matching, you can literally just WhatsApp them and send them a photograph of your hair in daylight, and they'll literally get back to you within 24 hours with a colour match. If it doesn't match you though, you do have, I believe it's up to 3 months to return. There's not that immediate pressure to keep it if it's completely the wrong colour for you. I'd say my colour match is pretty spot on, perhaps a little bit warm, but no, overall I'm happy. It doesn't tangle. Again, if you watch my videos, you'll know that faux hair, so synthetic hair, ponytails that I've tried in the past, bar one, has been really tangly, but this is tangle free. So they're not wrong when they say that they're tangle free. They really are tangle free. It's really thick hair as well, which I like, and it's not obviously synthetic looking. So yeah, really happy with that. And then they sent me over the Backstage synthetic clip-in hairpiece, 20-inch in Hollywood, and it's straight again. Again, the packaging is really nice. It's got instructions on the back. Haven't tried this yet, so let's open it up and just have a look at it. I just wanted to wear the ponytail today. So it comes in a little fishnet bag, as do most extensions, and it feels really smooth. For synthetic hair, it feels really smooth. See, I would say it's a little bit warm for me, but you can totally make it work. It's no big problem. So you open that out and you've got 4 clips, and literally you section your hair from here and you just literally clip that in and then pull the rest of your hair down. That is how easy it is. It's all that you need. You don't need lots of other clip-ins that you need to apply, which I think is really, really good. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. I'll let you guys know what I think of it. You'll probably see it in future videos, see me wearing this in future videos. Obviously, with it being synthetic hair, you can't style it with heat or use like blue shampoo or anything on it, so you're gonna get probably, I think they say up to 5 wears, but to be honest with you, I'm not the type of person that's going to be going out clubbing, sweaty, makeup, lip gloss sticking to it, so I know I'll get more than 5 wears out of it. But yeah, it just depends how you look after your hair. But yeah, so thank you to Hair Choice for sending over those goodies. I will link them all down below so you can check them out. I just wanted to show you because I thought they were quite cool. So let's jump on into the boots haul. I will leave this ponytail in so that you can see it in all its glory. See, normally I would have a longer ponytail than this, but I quite like the fact that it's just 16 inches. Yeah, it's like, I would normally go a lot longer, but quite like it, not gonna lie. So let's just dive straight in and just see what I got. Okay, so I got the To Be Glued Hairspray. Got this for me and for Ben. Ben has a really super sexy hairstyle and uses hairspray. And yeah, thought I'd give this one a go because it was on offer. It was like £3 and it's supposed to be super strong. So grabbed one of those. Next, I thought I'd give this L'Oreal Paris Wonder Water a try. I've not tried it yet. For long damaged hair, my hair isn't damaged, but it is bleached, and I do use silver shampoos a lot, so it gives up to 10 times smoother, shinier hair, no way down. So you basically, in shower, apply directly to wet hair on lengths only, massage for 8 seconds and rinse out, so it's super quick as well. We all love to do like a gorgeous hair mask, but let's face it, we haven't always got the time, have we, to leave it on. So that, I'm really interested, and I think that was on offer for $4.99, should be $9.99, so it's quite a pricey product. I think that's the only reason why I got it, was because it was on offer, but I have heard a lot of good things about it. Next, pretty boring, just picked up some of the Boots Sultan Factor 50 for kids, just because I'd ran out, and that's still in the bag. Next, I got, I'm actually wearing it on my lips now, it is the Fenty Beauty Lip Stunner Paint in Unattached. And when I first, because obviously you can't try anything in store, can you, or try anything on your hand, or maybe you can now, but you couldn't when I went in. And to look at it here, it looks like more of like a pastel-y, corally colour, but actually on the lips it's quite bright, isn't it? So I'm really happy that the payoff on the lips is a lot brighter, because that's exactly what I wanted for summer, you know, perfect for holidays. Perfect, just to cheer you up, isn't it? I believe this was around £20. I think they have got 20% off some Premium Beauty at the moment as well, so I will link it down below for you. I picked up the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. I got mine in neutral brown. Yeah, I just basically wanted to see if I could find a cheap alternative to sort of like Anastasia Beverly Hills and things like that. Where is it? There. So it is neutral, which is going to be quite cool. It seems quite thin, and it's got a spoolie at the end. That was £5. So I'm really hoping that that is going to be a successful purchase, because brow pencils are so expensive. Next, I got a MAC Hourglass Plumping Lip Gloss in A Powder Girl. This is beautiful. It's such a beautiful pastel peach colour. It's got a little bit of a tingling. I have tried this one. I love the applicator. Love the applicator on it. It's got like a bit of a tingling and it's like really sheer, but it's just such a lovely consistency. I love the colour. Don't really think it plumps or does anything like that from the one time that I used it, but it does look a gorgeous gloss, especially over like a nude lip or a nude lip liner. Yeah, and I love the smell of it. It smells so nice. Next, MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus in Coconut. I have used the Fix Plus and have it in my kit and will always have it in my kit. So I wanted to get a coconut one. Oh, it smells nice. It smells just like holiday. That is so refreshing. Yeah, I'm so pleased that Boots sell MAC now. It just makes it so much easier. I remember when I first started doing makeup many years ago, we used to have to travel to Liverpool to the Pro store. That's where I used to get my discount. But it's so much easier now that you can access little bits and bobs that you need without having to order online or travel all the way to Liverpool, for me personally. So yeah, and when they have the extra 20% off, it's worth it. Next, I grabbed some new false eyelashes. These are a new brand, I believe, at Boots. They are not a new brand, but they're a new style. They're So Wispy Tapered Lash Collection by Lash Couture. These are So Wispy number 5, aloe adhesive included. Don't think I'll use that, but I just think I love a wispy lash. And these look lovely, and these were £5.50. So not bad price, and you'll be able to reuse these a few times as well. I then also saw, again by Lash Couture, these Luxe Tensions, as in extensions collection. The Ultimate Lash Extensions look, because the curls, you know when you go in for eyelash extensions and you can have a DC or J curl. So that's what so these have got a really big curl on them, so that they look like lash extensions. These I think were a bit more pricey, £8. They come with lash glue as well. Royal Silk, these ones are, I believe. And they have a 30% thinner lash band, because I can't stand lashes with a thick lash band. I hate it. They're so uncomfortable. It's so obvious. You can't hide it as well. So the fact that those are really thick and full with a small lash band, I think they're going to be my favourite. Next, I saw this new mascara by Wet n Wild, and it's called Big Popper mascara. And yeah, I don't know if I hold out much hope for it. Looks a bit clumpy, the brush does, but we'll have to see. This was pretty inexpensive. It was £6.29. So not that inexpensive, is it? So I hope that's gonna work. Next up, I got a new Huda Beauty Cream Glow lipstick, and I picked up the colour shade Babyface, which is this colour here. It's like a brownie nude. Really excited to wear this one. It's like a mauvey brownie sort of nude. That one there. So yeah, excited to try that one, because I don't have many nudes that colour, so I wanted to grab another one, because you know how much I love the Huda Beauty Power Bullets. Next, I wanted to try this Real Techniques Brightening Concealer Brush. I like how it's tapered at the end. This was on offer. This should have been £8 and it was £7. So yeah, I love the Real Techniques brushes. I use them all the time, and the fact that this is like a tapered tip with staggered bristles, it's just gonna get in there nice. You could use it for cream concealer, or you could actually use it with powder if you wanted to, or eye cream. Next, I grabbed a new NYX Lip Pencil. I got this in the shade Nude Truffle, I believe, which is this brownie nude, which is there. Yeah, I absolutely love the NYX Lip Pencils. This was £3. I don't think you can go wrong with them. They are comparable to MAC for sure, and they're so inexpensive. I heard a lot about the NYX Brow Pencil. This is the Micro Brow Pencil. This was £10. So on the pricier side, but not as pricey as obviously the big brands out there. So this I got in shade Neutral Brown, which is practically the same colour as the e.l.f. one. So the one on the far left here is the NYX one, and next to it is the e.l.f. one. They're really comparable. So yeah, hoping again that that's going to be a good alternative. Last two things that I want to show you. I got the NYX Born to Glow foundation. I got this in shade Vanilla because I wanted it for when I'm tanned. Heard mixed reviews on it. Some people love it, some people hate it. Some people actually compare it to the NARS Sheer Glow. And NARS Sheer Glow is one of my favourite foundations ever. So I'm hoping for £10 that that is going to be a good dupe of the NARS Sheer Glow, because that will save me a lot of money. Then last up, I got a Huda Beauty Power Bullet lipstick in the shade Interview. Again, it's like a gorgeous nudie brown colour, but this is obviously matte. They go on so nice. It's like a mauvey. Yeah, sort of like a mauvey nudie colour. I just think that's going to be stunning. I absolutely love her lipsticks, you know I do. We don't need to sit here and pretend like I've not tried them before when I have. So guys, that's everything that I picked up from Boots. I'm happy with my little haul. I'll try and link what I can down below for you. If you've got any questions or anything, just hit me up in the comments section. Thanks so much for watching guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!